What is up, guys? Dan this side. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install your Zoom application to your laptop. So, Zoom is a powerful video conferencing tool used for meetings, webinars, and online collaboration with features like screen sharing, breakout rooms, and chat. Staying connected has never been easier. Whether you're looking for home or attending classes online, Zoom simplifies communication. Let's explore how to get started and make the most out of Zoom in just a few clicks. And now, let's get started with the installation. So in the new tab, you need to type for Zoom app download. Click on this. And after writing the Zoom app download, you need to click on download Zoom for Windows. After clicking on download Zoom for Windows, here you will open this website, and from here in this window, you will see the button to download it for 62-bit or 32-bit. You can download it based on your laptop's performance. If your laptop is 32-bit, you can download the 32-bit version. If your laptop is 64-bit, you can just simply click on the download of 64 bits. And after that, this is the installer file. So you can just simply save it wherever you like. And after saving, the exe file will start to download. As you can see, the Zoom installer full.exe file is been installed. Now I will just simply open it in my file section. And from here, I'll click on this installer full file, which is the exe file. And after clicking on that exe file, as you can see, the Zoom workspace is initializing. And after that, as you can see, the installation was successful. Simply click on done and you are welcome to the Zoom workspace. So from here, if you directly want to join a meeting, click on join a meeting. But if you want to sign in with your account first, so click on sign in and then sign in with your email or phone number, or you can sign in with SSO, Google, Apple, Facebook, and Microsoft. But if you don't have any account, you will see the option of don't have an account and then the button of sign up. Click on the sign up button and then you can also sign up with your account. And after you have signed up and entered all your details, the Zoom will reopen and then it will ask for your permission. So just simply allow it. And after allowing the permission, you are officially welcome to the Zoom application. So from here, you can start a new meeting or you can use your personal meeting ID. If you want to join a meeting, you can click on join meeting. And if you want to schedule it, you can click on schedule. And if you want to screen share in any meeting, you can click on share screen. And from here, when you click on meetings, here you will see all the scheduled meetings in your calendar. And when you click on this team chat option, here you will see all the chats with your teams, here all the mentions, the DMs, the channels that you are following or that you have created, the meeting charts, the applications that you have integrated, which are the Zoom documents, Zoom invite approvals, and Zoom workflow. And when you click on more, here are some of the more applications, or you can say integrations here in the Zoom application. When you click on scheduler, here in the scheduler, you can schedule a meeting from the right side here. And after that, you can generate a custom link and then send it to the members that you want to be in the meeting. And when you click on documents here, you will see all the documents that are being shared or that you have shared with all your team members. And when you click on my documents here, you will see all your personal documents. When you click on more, here are the same applications that I showed you earlier, which are whiteboards, clips, tasks, notes, mail, apps, contacts. And if you want to restore it to default, you can just restore them. And this is how you can install your Google, or sorry guys, you can install your Zoom to your laptop. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching. Bolo mama.